Ever wondered how to create a new signature in your email account? Well, the process is surprisingly straightforward and customizable. This guide will walk you through the steps to create a personalized touch to every email sent. To begin, navigate to the View tab. Once there, select View Settings. This is the first step towards creating a unique email signature. It's like opening the door to a world of personalization and professionalism. Next, select Accounts and then Signatures. This is where the magic happens. It's like walking into a tailor's shop, ready to customize your outfit, or in this case, your email signature. Now, select New Signature. Give it a distinct name that will allow you to easily recognize it among any other signatures you might create in the future. It's like naming a new pet or a new car. It's yours to identify as you please. Then comes the fun part, designing your signature. In the editing box below the new name, type your signature. This could be your name, your title, or even a favorite quote. Then format it with the font, color, and styles that best represent you. It's like choosing the paint and upholstery for your new car. It's a chance to make your mark. Once you're satisfied with your new signature, select Save. This locks in your design, keeping it safe and ready for use. But we're not done quite yet. With your new signature selected from the list above the editing box, navigate to Select Default Signatures. Here, you can choose whether to apply the signature to new messages and to replies and forwards. It's like deciding when and where to drive your new car. Finally, select Save again. This ensures that all your choices are set and ready to go. And there you have it. You've just created a new signature for your email account, adding a touch of personal flair and professionalism to your digital correspondence. In summary, to create a new signature, navigate to the View tab, then View Settings. Select Accounts, then Signatures, and choose New Signature. Give your signature a distinct name, then design it in the editing box. Save your design, then choose when and where to use it in Select Default Signatures. Save again to lock in your preferences. It's a simple process with a significant impact. It's like tailoring your digital suit, ready to impress in every email sent.